Hello students, good morning everybody. Here is a one more video in the chapter lines and angles. So first, let's learn about the complementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angles? In lower class, we have learned the different types of angles. That is a obtuse angle, acute angle, and then right angle, reflex angle, straight angle. Here is a one more type, that is a complementary angle. When you add any two angle, here I have taken a measurement of two angle. The first angle is a 67 degree I have taken, and the second angle is 23 degree. So when you are finding the sum of these two angles, if your answer is 90, then we can call these two angles, that is a 67 and 23, as a complementary angles. So what is the definition of a complementary angle? When you find the sum of the two angles, otherwise the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are known as complementary angle. So we can give many examples for this complementary angle. I can give a 40 degree. So let me give an example for the complementary angle. 40, 50. Otherwise 70, 20. Otherwise 10, 80. Like that, I can give a n number of examples of a complementary angle. How do you check whether these angles are complement angle? Just add these two angles, 40 degree plus 50 degree. When the answer is 90 degree, yes, it is a complementary angle. The next one, 70 degree and 20 degree. When you are adding, you are getting a 90 degree. Yes, so 70 and 20 is an example for complementary angle. 10 degree plus 80 degree, when I am adding, I am getting a 90 degree. So we can call them as a complementary angle. Suppose for example, I am taking 50 degree and 60 degree. So when I am adding 50 plus 60, what is the answer? Yes, that is 110 degree, but it is not equal to 90. Therefore, this particular example is not a complementary angles. Then, in a complementary angle, suppose our angles are adjacent. What is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent angles always have a common arm. So in this angle, we can see OB as a common arm for the angle COB, angle COB and angle AOB. So these are the two angles, and OB is adjacent, and measurement of the two angles they have given us at 70 and 20. Now let's add and check. 70 plus 20, which is equal to 90. So these two angles have OB as a common arm. So we are calling these two angles as an adjacent complementary angles. Let's consider the next one. Here we have taken two angles, that is an angle ABC and angle PQR. When you observe, there is no common arm. Each angle have a different arms. So if they don't have a common arms, but sum is equal to 90 degree you are getting, then we can call these angles as a non-adjacent complementary angles. So in this video we learn complementary angle. What is the meaning of complementary angle? When you add any two angles, if the sum is equal to 90 degree, then we can call them as a complementary angles. Among the complementary angles, we can have two types. One is the adjacent complementary angle and another one is non-adjacent complementary angle. Let's meet in the another class. Bye bye.